this edition of our free 3D logo tutorial class. We will be looking at a mock-up logo and how to generate or create a mock-up logo. It's the same method or pattern we're going to be using, something like this. Yes, so we're still going to be creating the mock-up logo using AI. So you just look at the steps and the process, and you will be able to generate something as fine as this and as beautiful as this. I will encourage you, if you've not watched the first, second tutorials, do that. That will help you, guide you, and at the same time make this part 3 or class 3 easier for you. Okay, so let's quickly go straight into the class. I'll be making it as short as possible because we've done the class 1 to 2. It's the same AI we're going to be using. It's not something hard at all. So the difference between this one and the other one is just your settings and the prompt that you're using. So what we are going to do is to go to the same platform using your Google Chrome. Just go to your Google Chrome using the same platform and Leonardo AI. You log in with your email. For those that possibly maybe you forgot or something, just open the website like this. Look at it here, Leonardo AI. Open it, then get started. Allow it to load. So long you should have a strong network, at least that will help you. Allow it to load. When it has finished loading like this, you are to log in. But if you're already logged in, you will also see your details that you have already logged in. Click on the image. Alright, so if you click on the image like this, it will show you something like this. So I'm going to go back so that I will log in again. So that to make it easier for some people, I'll go back and maybe log in again, so that some persons that are possibly may have some issues will be able to do that. So I'll just go back, quickly log in again. So in case you're having issues, you can always log out like this and get the process again. So when you get to this place, start the login with your Google. Depending on you and the Gmail account that you have. So what you need to do, very simple, just log in with any of your Gmail account or the one you are using. Remember, I told you in the last video that each of these platform, this Leonardo AI, will always give you about 150 tokens per day. So if your own is exhausted, you need to just log out and wait till, let's say, 12 a.m. the next day and log in again. That is how it works. So when you check my own now, you discover that I have 150 points here. Okay, so that will at least be able to create what I want to create right now. Okay, very quickly. So now that you're here, all you need to do is to get your prompts. Prompts are the commands, and they are very important, very important. So you just go to, I have mine saved up, and I'm going to share it with you as well. You can always get it from the assignment group. I'll put it in the description in the assignment group, so you'll be able to access it. So I'll get my prompt. There are different prompts that are needed or that are available. So there are a lot of them here. So one of them is there is logo prompt, which is the one we have been dealing with. There is t-shirt prompt. Look at it here. T-shirt prompt. T-shirt mock-up. The logo we are doing now is mock-up logo. Then we have mug for cups prompt. We also have the one you can do on phone, like iPhone, Mockup, and all of that, like the sample I showed you. Then you can also do the one that has to review box. I also showed you that one. So there are many other ones that can be created. You can also create your own. You just follow a pattern like this, get something, paste it, and edit it to your taste, and it will give you what you want. So let's work with the one of shirts. So what I just need to do is to copy my prompt. This one is a t-shirt mock-up. So I will copy. Remember, I must edit it. I'll copy, then come here, and of course I'll need to paste the one I just copied, which I have done. So look at the t-shirt mock-up. So I can delete the t-shirt mock-up. Alright, so what I have here is display a realistic mock-up of 3D flat logo with a glossy high resolution finish for Hala Herbas. No, I don't want to make it for Hala Herbas. Remember, we did some Herbas design and logo and the rest. So I would want to make it for, let's say, I will just use something for, let's say, pharmacist, or let me say pharmacy. Let me say Jag Pharmacy. Jag Pharmacy. So they said the logo features green leaf. No, this one I'm not going to use anything about green leaf. Just say the logo feature. Okay. Let's say green drugs because it's pharmacy. Alright, so instead of mortar and pestle, remember we used it for the creation of our 3D logo. Instead of mortar and pestle, for example, we can use any symbol like cross and a cross and let's say syringe. Okay, design in a brand colors, dark green, all right, light green. So this one I'll just use red and white. Yes, it said place the logo prominently on a high quality gray fabric. So I don't want to use gray fabric, I will use white fabric. Let me just use. So this is how you can edit yours. Just edit it into what you want, and you watch the logo on the mock-up of shirts being produced. So you have white fabric background, such as a t-shirt with a bearded man wearing it. So me, I don't want a bearded man wearing this one. Like, I want something different. Let me just say with a young man. It's a young man wearing it. Okay, so if you go further, I see the prompt is saying ensure the fabric texture is visible and the logo appears naturally printed with slight light reflections for a professional look. Okay, that's like shadow to make it look real and very okay. So what you need to do, you go through your prompt and ensure it's okay. And of course, if you look at this place looking, you click on this place, generate. That generate there It's trying to make you understand that after you generate this particular mockup now, you're going to spend 66 token. So out of your 150, you're going to be spending 66. So let's see. Just click on generate and allow it to load. Allow it to load. So when you go down, you see it's loading. You see it's loading. So just allow it to generate. So we observe and see. Okay. Okay, now look at this. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Okay. Now these are what we have here. You see. So it's your choice. It's your choice to make. Anyone you just feel is okay. You save and of course have it in your system or your phone. So you can always save any one of your choice. You see. Very fine and of course very nice. So what you need to do is to just download. Then if you don't like them, if you don't like these ones, you can change it. You can change it either by changing your prompt or click on generate again to generate more for you. All right, so that's that about shirt. So quickly I want to show you the one about, let's say the one about iPhone. You can print on phone. Okay, so let's quickly get it. All right, so continue. So you're going to change this prompt. If it is the one for phone you want to use, you go and pick up the prompt for phone. You can do the one for cup. Okay, you can do the one for phone. You can do this other one, box review. I showed you this one, box review. So what you need to do is copy the one for the phone. Copy it. Good. And go back to your Leonardo AI you're using. Go back there. And of course, sorry, it's reloading. So if you check your token, you see that it's remaining 84. So I'm going to change this particular prompt. Select it, and of course I've changed it. Now I'm saying show realistic mockup of iPhone 15. I can say iPhone 16. It's all your choice. With a sleek and a modern design. Alright, display the 3D flat glossy high resolution logo of okay, so I will still use let's say the same Jag Pharmacy. You can use your business name, you can use anything, you can use a client, get somebody wants it, do it for the person. Okay, Jag Pharmacy on the back of a phone. Right, the logo features, remember the last one I use green drug, so there I want to use red drugs. Red drugs and a syringe and cross and cross. Okay, design in the brand colors. Okay, in the brand colors, so I can change the brand colors to just green, and for then red, or can use blue, your choice. What you just want is okay. It all depends on you. Okay, let's say blue now, so it doesn't seem like and white. Then the phone's body neutral is a neutral gray to match the brand's color theme. Use soft lighting phones premium finish and make a logo appear seamless, engraved and printed back. So this is just an example. All right, try and make this video as short as possible. So you just move on and generate. Then why it is generating, okay, it's like we don't have enough of this again. Okay, it's generating. So you just wait for it to generate. And of course, oh, this is good, some of them are very okay. So you choose what you want. Like this first one seems very okay. You see the phone, you see the way it has generated it. So you save, you look out for other ones. If you don't like them, of course you can ignore. So this is it. You can get something like this, you can get more of this. Look at the shirts on. This is cup sample like the one done before. And of course something like this, the 4 or 5 mockups prompts, they are all there. So you can create something like this. You should create something like this, at least one each. Okay, if you try 2 for a day and your prompt is finished or your token is finished, you can get another token the next day because it's free. If you want to keep having token, you may not need to pay, but we are using the free version for now. All right, thank you very much for your time. Please do yours and submit in the assignment group. Thank you.